I got the console out of the SVO. You can see how dirty this thing is after a while. I mean, it's gonna take a lot of prepping and stuff to get this done because I want to do it right and make it look a lot better than it is now. Anything will help, but I mean, after years and years of just dirt, it's gonna take a lot of prep work to get this done. I'm gonna really take my time with it so it comes out really good. So essentially what we're gonna be doing in this video is I'm gonna spray it down, clean it, and then I'm gonna hit it with a scuff pad. And then after that, I'm gonna get a solvent and get all the oils off of it, and then apply the paint. And this can be for any car that you're working on, whether you're flipping it or just trying to clean it up. But that's just basically what I'm doing to this and showing you guys the results and how good it can actually come out when you're doing something like this at home. And it's really easy. I mean, I only have I think like $15 and for everything that I need for it. So right here, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it and get all, the loose dirt off of it. And you can, when you're scuffing it, you can either do it dry, as long as you do it light, or you can do it while you have something wet on there. I like to do it when it's wet just to get all the dirt off, and then I'll usually go by with a second cleaning. So I'll just get it like this. Of course, the battery died. So I'll just get it like this and go through the bigger parts on it. So now that we got it all scuffed down and everything, what we're gonna do next is we're gonna take all the oils or anything left over and use the solvent to just clean that up. And you can just get a rag and put it on the rag and wipe it down. So that's what we're gonna do here. All right, so I'm gonna apply the first coat. Keep in mind, when you're doing paint, you wanna do even lines, and you also want to do a test spray first, especially when you're opening up a new can. So